Talk about HP Chromebook 14-inch thin and light touchscreen laptop with 180-degree hinge Celeron /4GB /64GB eMMC storage, Chrome OS Backlit touch Chalkboard Grey 1.5 kilograms, 14K 0022. By Amazon Renewed. This certified refurbished product is tested to work and look like new with minimal to no signs of wear and tear. The product comes with relevant accessories and is backed by a minimum 6-month supplier-backed warranty. Box may be generic. Power to work and play all day, all the power you need to stay productive and entertained on a seamless Chrome experience. Daily dose of entertainment, immerse yourself in dual speakers and audio by B&O Play. And easily share your screen with a flexible hinge that allows up to 180-degree rotation. Boots in seconds, powered by Chrome OS with automatic software updates so you'll always have the latest virus protection. It starts up in less than 10 seconds, stays fast throughout the day, and won't slow down over time. Apps, access to favorite apps from Google Play like Google Drive, Gmail, YouTube, Amazon Prime, Evernote, Slack, Infinite Painter, Lightroom, WhatsApp and many more. Amazon Renewed is your trusted destination for open box and refurbished products that are inspected and tested to work and look like new. A Renewed supplier who is Amazon qualified and performance managed, performs a full diagnostic test, replaces any defective parts, and thoroughly cleans the product. The products will have minimal to no signs of wear, no visible cosmetic imperfections when held 12 inches away, and may arrive in a brown or white box with relevant accessories that may be generic. This product comes with a minimum 6-month supplier-backed warranty. An Amazon-qualified supplier will repair your product or will provide a replacement or refund within 6 months of your receipt if the product does not work as expected. The warranty is in addition to Amazon's standard return policy. Learn more. Shop for smartphones, computers, laptops, tablets, home and kitchen appliances, game consoles, office products, and more on Amazon Renewed. For more detail and information like technical details, additional information, warranty and support, and review about Renewed, HP Chromebook 14-inch thin and light touchscreen laptop with 180-degree hinge. By Amazon Renewed. Click on the link given in description.